Tell them about our kit. You want to tell them? Hey everyone, so we have put together a kit for y'all. It is a fall design. It includes flourish, it includes a pattern, 2 yards of fabric. It's kind of more of the older sizes, and it is designed to be very beginner friendly. I have videos going over everything from start to finish, and let me just go through the kit with you. So this is available on my website. And the kit includes, like I said, 2 yards of 54-inch wide corduroy. This is 21 wale corduroy. It's the same corduroy that Farmhouse Fabrics has. So, I love this corduroy. I made several dresses for Audrey last year, and she has worn them to pieces, and the corduroy has held up really, really well. So it's a nice weight for babies. You can't just get your hands on it. It's a nice weight for babies. Hold this. What was I saying? Oh, it's a nice weight for kids. Like it's a good fall weight. You know what I mean? It's not like super thick, but it's not thin. It's just a lovely little weight to it. And I love the colors that it comes in. So the color in the kit is a leaf green. Like I said, Farmhouse carries this corduroy as well. And then the pattern that you're going to get is the Oliver and S fairy tale dress. Now I make this completely differently than how the pattern calls for it. The pattern is nested, which does suck. I'm not gonna lie, but there's only 3 things you need to trace. We're just gonna trace the bodice front, the bodice back, and then the collar. Then it comes with an embroidery motif. The embroidery motif is already printed on for you. There are 2 different sizes. The pattern, the whole kit includes sizes 5 through 12. 12 or 10? 12. Yeah, 12. I'm losing my mind. 12. And for those of you who are interested in size 5, it's literally a 1/4 of a yard difference, so you're not like paying a huge amount. You know what I mean? So if you're like, oh, I'm not going to make a size 12, I just want a size 5, now I have all this extra fabric, you don't. But you do have a 1/4 of a yard, so if you wanted to use that for a bodice and then pair it with whatever, floral skirt or something like that, you do have a little bit of fabric then to use for something else. So it comes, like I said, 2 yards of fabric comes with the pattern. It also comes with thread that matches, as well as a hand needle to do your hand embroidery. The hand embroidery uses flourish. I absolutely love flourish, and I know that it can be costly to get into flourish because when you, sure, just stuff it on a gold bracelet. When you see the hank of flourish, there's a ton of material in that flourish, or in that hank. There's a ton of flourish in that hank, but it does get costly. It's like $8 a hank, and so if you get a couple colors, it does get costly. And if you've never used it, you might want to dip your toe in the water and see how it feels before you invest. Sorry, we got a tractor going on, a tractor situation. But anywho, so I have included 6 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. A beautiful fall design, I think, and it's beginner friendly. So it's just using the satin stitch over and over, over and over and over to do all like the petals and the leaves, and then there's a couple of French knots and a couple of stem and outline stitches. But I have a video tutorial that goes over all of it. And yeah, flourish is something that I think you guys are really going to enjoy. So you can dip your toe in the water with this kit, and then you'll fall in love with it. The colors of flourish are just divine. Even the really pale stuff, the vibrancy to it is just divine, and the sheen on it. And then you get into bold colors like this for fall, and I mean, it doesn't get much more vibrant than this in a fiber. The colors and the sheen are absolutely lovely. So then, last but not least, you get a zipper. Now, full disclosure, this zipper, I actually bought several different colors in this zipper. This was the closest match to the green, but it is not at all a match. We will be inserting it as a lap zipper, so you're not really going to be seeing it, but just full honesty, the sucker does not match. Things right now, we all know we're not at normal life. People are not working like normal because of the whole condition of the world. I can't say certain words anymore on YouTube, but it does not match. Things are out of stock. We're doing the best we can. It's going to be a lap zipper, so you're not really going to see it anyways. I just wanted to let y'all know. And now we've got raspberries going on my shoulder. So, the last thing that you're going to have in your kit is a new layout on how to cut out your fabric. Like I said, I changed this completely from how the pattern calls for, so I updated a layout. I've got size 5 on one sheet, and I've got the other sizes, 6 through 12 on the back sheet. So follow the updated layout. That way you cut out all your pattern pieces and all goes well. I am here. If you get into an issue, if you are confused, if something, whatever, I am here. Please email me, and you should get a response within about 2 days. Usually I'm within that first day, but give me 2 days with the little ones. If you haven't heard back from me within 2 days, honestly, you've fallen through the cracks. So just give me a gentle reminder. It doesn't happen very often, but it does happen. So that is the fall kit. I'm very excited to be bringing this to y'all, and especially with the flourish. Like I said, I absolutely love flourish. I think y'all are going to really enjoy it too. And anywho, appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And I look forward to catching y'all next time. Thanks, guys.